Introducing the FOM Photon Roll-to-Roll Slot Die Coder designed for synchrotron beamlines. In-situ material characterization is key for understanding how thin films are formed and how to improve their performances. Navigating the complexities of material characterization in synchrotrons can be a daunting task. Researchers are faced with the challenge of maximizing data collection and quality with their limited access time, making the pursuit for efficiency more crucial than ever. Designed for seamless in-situ material characterization, the photon roll-to-roll enables researchers to study material transformations at a fundamental level as they occur. This allows researchers to elevate their data collection across a wide spectrum of applications from energy films to biofilms. With features like automatic ink type dispensing and switching, a self-cleaning slot die head, and an interchangeable chuck, the photon roll-to-roll allows for autonomous and highly efficient collection of time evolution data. The FOM photon roll-to-roll meets the diverse needs of today's research environments. Its modular and compact design makes it a cost-effective solution for high-precision studies. Photon roll-to-roll, autonomous, versatile, and cost-efficient in-situ material characterization. Discover how to elevate your synchrotron data collection with the FOM Photon Roll-to-Roll at fomtechnologies.com/photonR2R.